Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Anaheim. We've got an 08 Monaco Diplomat here. Now we've got it demoed down. Pretty much got everything taken apart. All the old TVs out. Dash is coming out. We are going to recover the whole dash, build a custom dash for it as well. All the countertops have been removed. We're starting fabrication on the new Corian countertops. Last item to come out, the refrigerator's got to come out because we're going to put a residential fridge in. But if you walk through here, you can see in the bathroom, we've removed the shower and the factory shower pan. We're going to custom build our own shower pan, build a nice Corian and tile shower with home controls and new countertops, vessel sinks. You see the rear bedroom's been completely gutted. We are starting to install the nice soft vinyl walls over the factory wallpaper, so it's not going to have that paper look anymore. So nice soft walls, even going in the closet here. So we'll check back with you in a couple weeks and give you an update on this coach. It's going to be a great project. See you soon. It's delivery day for the Diplomat. So here's the finished outside entertainment. And then we'll take you inside and show you around a little bit. You know what, actually, let's walk back here and take a look at the upgraded battery system that we put in this coach. Definitely want to show you that. So we reconfigured the battery compartment with 4 L16 batteries and then 2 AGM starting batteries out here in the back. And then we've got out back solar power converter with 5 solar panels on the roof. We added a residential refrigerator on this unit, so we needed more power and they wanted to be able to sit during the day without running their generator and being plugged into shore power. So the system works great, puts about 20 amps of power in, and working good. We'll take you inside and show you around. Hey, we're in the interior of the Diplomat that we're delivering today. So this is all hand-built custom furniture that we built here in the shop, stick up, all new electric shades. Nice feature in this coach. All this is nice leather furniture, all custom made with nice storage drawers in it. Super cool, nice big deep drawers everywhere. There's 4 of them. New Avenite countertops, new fixtures. Rebuilt this little cabinet for them. It was just a little storage cabinet. They wanted a little wine bottle, wine glass cabinet here. LED lights on dimmers. Really nice feature. Makes the coach very efficient with the DC power. We added a 3rd air conditioning to this unit. This is a 2-air unit, and these coaches always have a problem cooling. So we added a 3rd air, and then added the center ceiling piece became an instrument for us to put the lighting in and the air distribution, and it dresses up the coach nice and also quiets down the AC quite a bit. Dressed up the back bedroom a little bit, new shades, new upholstered headboard. We also, throughout this whole coach, we put this really nice vinyl on the walls, and that dresses up the walls, makes it really soft, nice look. Added a nice 32-inch TV back here. All the receivers and everything's behind here. Open this up so you have your storage room back here. Nice extra storage where the big tube TV used to go. Yeah, in the bathroom we added new Avenite cabinets, countertops, new vessel sinks, nice backsplash, dressed up the valances, new shades. Built this beautiful shower, pulled out the factory plastic shower, built a nice Corian shower with nice 1/4 inch, or actually 3/8 inch glass enclosure. Made the shower bigger, more headroom, and larger inside. Beautiful residential stainless steel, nice deep refrigerator, beautiful freezer, ice maker. Awesome upgrade in this coach. Talk about adding some extra storage for your food. So the customer, they liked their tile floors that were in the coach, and they're nice tile floors, but they wanted to dress it up a little bit. So what we did is we removed several tiles, as you can see here, and then added some complementing colored tiles that they liked. So it dressed the floor up a little bit without tearing the whole floor out of the coach. Recovered the captain's and pilot seats with all leather, soft touch, nice leather with an opposing colored stitch. Had the whole dash out of this unit and all the side panels, and covered the dash in a nice soft touch leather, and reconfigured the switches and entertainment for the guy a little bit, so the layout's a little better for him. We upgraded the home audio. This has the old system where the stereo entertainment was just in the dash, so we added a Pioneer home receiver up there, added some cooling fans, all your other components, your DVR for your DirecTV, your Blu-ray player, and your control for your wide guard antenna are up there. And then added a nice Pioneer navigation drive system with some speakers and a little subwoofer. Sounds great. And then pulled out the small speakers in the ceiling and opened up the holes and put some nice 8-inch home quality in-ceiling speakers. This thing rocks. This is a beautiful home theater in this coach now. So if there's anything that we're talking about here that you'd like to do on your coach, give us a call and we'd love to help you out.